Hey, what's up, everyone? All right, I see the chat is working. What's up? What's up? How is everyone doing? How's the quality of the stream? Is it good? Let me know, guys. It's currently Tuesday, and I think we got CPI tomorrow. I'm back streaming 3 times a week. Mostly it's probably gonna be the same time as today. So for London session, I'll be hopping on and look at the charts and hopefully catch something. Mainly, I will be probably trading gold because it moves faster. And I'm launching something pretty soon that's gonna be free for everyone. So everyone will be able to follow my trades. Obviously not financial advice, but that's gonna be a possibility pretty soon. So keep an eye out for that this week, and we'll be trading gold. So I'm currently in this EU short with my my students. We've entered the short on Friday, and we're way past TP1. Our target is a 1 to 3 right there. We're currently running at 1.1.5. I also entered GU yesterday. I like the setup. Let me see how the position is doing. Yeah, I entered yesterday and then I kind of took profits and re-entered today. So running in about $500 profit. You guys can see. Not sure if it's gonna focus or not. Probably not. This is my Funding Pips Prime account, but on the live streams here on YouTube, I'll be trading my Hola Prime account. So I got my account right here. Let me show you guys. My Hola Prime direct funded account, 100K. This is what we will be trading. Let me go to the 5-minute time frame. I think which one looks better. Yeah, this one looks good. So we'll be trading the Hola Prime 100K account on the stream. Obviously not financial advice. Good morning, new office. No, this is basically I got out of my office and this is my living room. So I've set the streaming station here because there's a lot more space. I feel better trading. In the office, it's just a room, and I kind of feel like I'm not in the right mind space, right, to trade there. So I decided to move my little setup here. So my kitchen is right there, and then the whole living room is in the back. Do you think it will reach TP3? Yeah, probably. I mean, there's a big chance it will. This is I said when I entered on Friday, this is gonna take, and I may extend the take profit depending on how price action sets up before CPI. I think CPI is gonna be a big move, and there's a big possibility that this will drop a lot lower. So I may extend my obvious target on EU, honestly, is this area right here. So I may extend my take profit to 1 to 5 right here, but we're taking it step by step, right? Trades like this, I mean, we had, what was that, like 5 pips of drawdown, and we're currently running at 42 pips in profit. Wanted a safer stop loss, but probably today we'll take out this low, this NFP low, for sure. So yeah, this is a swing trade, right? I'm not rushing. I'm just holding it, giving it time. I entered G yesterday because I liked how we swept the highs here. And wanted to catch gold shorts as well. Maybe we'll catch an entry now. We kind of broke above this key level. Let's take a look at the weekly. We're in the weekly fib right now. So we're in a very, very good area for shorting. With the war picking back up, we can see oil is climbing again, filling that fair value gap right here. I think NQ will also start dropping. And then crypto already kind of dropped yesterday, and gold, I think we should see gold selling off pretty damn soon. Just took profits on my some of my NQ shorts. Shorted this morning on the gym. Just trading some evals, trying to pass them. But yeah, let's see gold, right? Gold is the one that I'm interested in. Let's see if we get a pullback here with a new 1 hour candle. And if we can kind of take a short down. This is kind of aggressive, this area, so let's wait to see if it pulls back a little higher. For EU and GU, I don't know if we can take a re-entry now. Let me look at the lower time frames. So London took the lows. Let me make this. So yeah, probably gold. So is the stream working properly? Oh, it's not 4K, so I'll have to change the resolution, I guess. Yeah, I'll do that from tomorrow. Your new apartment? No, bro. I bought this penthouse I'm living in 2 years ago. It's not a new place. It's my home. For now, anyways. Because I plan on moving to Dubai this towards the end of the year. Yeah, because I'm not in the office, right? When I streamed before, I was in the office, which is a separate room where I had everything, but I moved things in my living room because it's like 5 times bigger. There's more space. I feel better, you know, instead of being in just a room. How many points will be your stop loss? Well, I don't know if I'm gonna short here because it's a bit more aggressive. If I am, probably 50 pip stop loss. I don't know, should we short the London high? Let's see the new 50-minute. If we sweep the London high, I might look to take the short down. the like all apartment stream. Which one? Can't remember. What's the hardest obstacles you faced when you started trading? Definitely over trading and over risking and rushing the process. How do you approach NQ today? I'm only gonna look at NQ during New York session, honestly. Yesterday was trash, and it's probably gonna be trash today because we got CPI tomorrow. So we're stuck inside this big range. I'm leaning more towards, being bearish after yesterday's daily close. So I think we're gonna drop down to maybe 600s, 500s today, but that's about it. So I'm leaning more bearish, but I will just be looking at it during New York session. All right, what do you think about this gold short? Should we give it a go? Take the first trade on the Hola Prime accounts. By the way, they're running 20% off now. Use the code NFX. Best prop form in the game. Have the fastest payouts. All right, we kind of missed the entry here. See if we get a retest. GJ, sorry, I'm not trading GJ. I only trade EU, GU, gold, and NQ. That's it. Pound JPY is a heavily manipulated pair. So I really do not want to even look at that. Why would you trade GJ when there is so many better pairs? Don't understand. All right, gold is really kind of trying to rip here. But I do not want to short right now because we kind of dropped a lot today. It's probably going to continue, but how do we kind of enter this? Should have shorted there at the highs. Damn. All right, let's just have a little bit more patience. I have the exact same watch list. FX per awareness is one commodity. Yeah, that's all you need to make a lot of money trading, honestly. That's all you ever need. You have short already? Nice. 4434? Short it all the way up here? Nice. I wanted to short yesterday, but didn't want to hold it overnight. But looks like it's paying. Really paying. By the way, guys, what platform do you guys use trading CFDs? Are you MT4, MT5 kind of guy, or? I like MT5 the most. All right, let's see, we get a small reaction here. Should take any trades this week? Yeah, I entered GU shorts yesterday as well. Right here. That's about it. Didn't trade anything else. MT5, yeah, everyone trades MT5. I love the stuff you send out on Telegram in the morning. Nice. Keep an eye out for the Telegram channel. Big announcement coming this week. You Sierra chart. All right, that's complicated. Trade locker. What would be the best platform for copy trading CFDs? MT5 definitely. Got short hold in Asia. All right, I'm gonna enter the gold shorts here. I think. Let's give it a try. See if we get something here. Oh shit, not enough margin. Why is this not working? Bro, I missed the entry. Goddamn. Fuck. Are you kidding me? Why is it not letting me place a trade? All right, anyways. No, this is gold. Yeah, I'm shorting. Because we're obviously in a bearish trend right now. We've come down quite a lot. This 1 hour retested. It respected previous 1 hour high. 15-minute coming down. 5-minute as well coming down. Let's see if we can continue pushing down here. It almost went to a 1-to-1 pretty fast. So that was 30 something points. Let's see. It's a more aggressive entry, definitely. I just wanted to scalp a quick 1-to-1. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Why? What do you think? I trade one single pair? Yeah, that's good. Can make big profits because of consistency. Yeah. My stop on GU is, I mean, right now it's break even. But my initial stop was around 30 pips. Right now it's at break even. All right, gold does not look great now. Might have misread this one. So both my EU and GU trades are running at break even. I'm swinging them because I have a feeling we're gonna drop tomorrow with CPI. Obviously, I can be wrong. Okay, gold's not looking great. Is there sound? Yeah, can you guys hear me? Test, test, test. You should be able to hear me. My mic is connected. Go 9-minute time frame on gold. Yeah, looks like I'm gonna get stopped out here. Yeah, we're reacting from this area. That just means we're probably getting a bigger pullback. So now that we're gonna break the 1 hour highs, I'm gonna be looking to short once we kind of retrace back into these areas. Probably the retracement is gonna come around this key level. Got stopped out. It's fine. EUGU still kind of running here. What do you think NQ will do this week? I think NQ will probably have to retrace lower. Now monthly candle is quite bullish. I'm still kind of bearish biased until we break the highs here. So once we break the highs, then yeah, further upside could be in play. What could happen with CPI is we kind of do this today, and then tomorrow we take out the highs, and then we reject and start dumping towards these areas. Because we got to keep in mind that overall bias should remain bearish with everything that's going on. The war is still going on, oil is at elevated prices, nothing really changed. That's why I'm also only looking for gold shorts. Gonna hold my position short, nice. Looking handsome, all right, that's the wrong comment. That's the wrong comment. So guys, I'm gonna stream 3 times a week consistently. So subscribe if you haven't. Don't empty my stomach. EURUSD, I mean, for EURUSD re-entries, you gotta have to look above Asia high, right? That's the only place I would look for re-entry. Now, looking at everything right now, it does look like we're trying to pull back a little bit. So that would be the area for pullbacks. Because then we have to respect the highs, right? So high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. So we could retest here and then create a new low. That would be the area. If we start breaking, then I wouldn't really look for shorts anymore. Can you please tell about Funding Pips Prime feedback? Right now, I'm not impressed, not gonna lie. The execution is quite bad. The rules are quite bad. I think it's a nerf. I mean, all love to Funding Pips and Khaled. Khaled personally texted me on WhatsApp and told me about Prime. all love to him. I've withdrew a lot of money from Funny Pips, but this Prime program looks like a big nerve. I mean, you got trailing drawdown, daily. I mean, I had 3 100k accounts, and now my overall drawdown is like 7k from 30k overall drawdown. So not a big fan of it. I'm gonna try to trade it, but I don't think I'm gonna make a lot of money with it. I also have another 100k account which is sitting at 5% profit, so I'm not sure if I can withdraw the money or I have to move that to Prime as well. But yeah, not the best. Cola Prime also bullshit? No, I don't think it's bullshit. Why? They have the fastest payouts, no payout denials, and you can trade up to 500k with it. Like, what other platform allows you to do that? I mean, yeah, they have rules, but the rules are there to, you know, to be able to pay you out. Big spreads, unless you trade big lots, spreads are normal. 4382 next target. All right, let's see. That would be Frankfurt high. Definitely possible. Definitely possible. And he's still trying to go lower, by the way. Prefer CFD or future props? CFD is easier to take payouts. One step 6% profit is good. Yeah. Exactly. Maybe I'll grab a few one-step accounts and pass them on stream. What do you expect from CPI this week on EUGU? I would expect maybe a small spike up and then price to drop down. So EU targets for this week, I do expect, well, this NFP low is 100% going to be taken out. If it's not taken out today, 100% will be taken out tomorrow. And then the next target would be this this area right here. I think it's going to be, I think this is the target for this week, this 4-hour area. So that's a 100 something pip drop on EU. That's why I'm kind of swinging straight down. So I will extend my take profit. This will be my trade for this month. Gonna keep holding it. Same for GU, right? And same for gold probably, but it's not giving an entry yet. Hopefully it will give an entry pretty soon. To trade both London and New York. So London session, I usually just trade CFD or evaluation accounts. And then New York, I only trade futures. And sometimes I enter trade on CFD, but just sometimes. Not always. I think Geo retesting 1.35115. Probably gonna happen right now, the way price is pulling. So yeah, that could be a good re-entry point. Why is there spread in CFDs and none in futures? There is spread in futures. What do you mean? There is spread. Spread is between the bid and ask. Even now, looking at my TradeAway account, there's a 1.5 point spread. There is spread. So they focus on Asia highs when looking for sellers, or they look at Asia lows? Asia lows as well for buys, but that's only like a London setup, London Open setup. Okay, gold continues to pull back here. I wonder if NQ is still kind of bearish. 1 hour coming down, 4 hour coming down. Probably gonna give another leg down. Price is below all EMAs on NQ. Definitely bearish. Definitely bearish. US 39 minute look bullish. Doesn't really look bullish to me. Planning to have kids? Yeah, of course. Can be live for another hour, guys, so drop a like, let's push the stream. I'm answering all the questions I get in the chat. The market's quite slow, so. Do you think about fundamental analysis, and if so, then how do you incorporate it into trading? Well, you gotta know what's happening in the world, right? So, yeah, obviously, I'm looking at what's happening, and then I'm just taking my bias and my trades based on that. Audi or BMW? I had both. BMWs, I think they're the best. Good morning, Andrew. How are you? I'm good, thank you. How are you? Scaling videos and risk management videos are great. Thank you for your knowledge. You're welcome. Do you think on gold, Andrew? Well, it took a loss on gold shorts, but yeah, right now it's pulling bullish. For me, take your news about what's happening in the world. It's from Forex Factory. I'm also building a dashboard, an AI dashboard. It's going to be available for my community. Are you trading futures? Yeah, New York usually. How sell gold? Because the war is still going on. Tensions are still rising. Gold levels are still rising. Gold is gonna dump soon. And then probably recover. It's not really... I mean, let's take a look at the higher time frames here. Monthly is bearish, right? Got 4 months in a row bearish. Weekly high is sitting right here. We're retesting the fib of the weekly candles. That's a good area to look for shorts, right? Only daily is kind of bullish here, but we've just tapped this area. So if daily candle close is bearish and 4 hour is bullish, but once we break below the lows, should go down. So I'm looking to sell gold, not buy gold. That's just, again, my opinion. Z4, is that the Cabrio one? I don't like it. It's the time perfect for trading, period of the year. Usually towards the end of the year, so like September, October, September, November. And then usually from like March all the way to summer. You lost weight? Yeah, I did. Thank you. Seen you somewhere, bro? Where have you seen me? You take Zine? I used to take, but not anymore. I'm nicotine free, alcohol free. Tell us about EU and GU weekly analysis. Well, it's pretty simple. We've come down, we've broken structure here on the weekly time frame. We've retested the weekly highs. We're reacting from the weekly highs. We should target these areas first and then a new weekly low eventually. I don't trade EuroCAD, I'm sorry. I don't like watching pairs that I don't trade. It's just attention. My attention is not worth it. So yeah. How you read your charts on daily basis? I mean, I just watch the higher time frames, see the area, see where we're heading, and then just take a decision based on that. I'm in Dubai and Romania right now. I'm in Romania right now. Dubai is too hot. Should be a good area for EU for re-entries. Above Asia high should be pretty good. These highs right here should be alright. Yeah. Top step now. Top step is pretty shit, not gonna lie. Move you live and then stop paying you. Cars you have already and what you're looking for is next. Well, I have my BMW X6M, which is my daily driver. I love it. It's a pretty good car. Now that I'm looking back at it, I probably wouldn't have bought the M version because you don't really need V8 on it. And then I have my McLaren, which I've had for, it's gonna be 3 years, 3 years soon. Which, you know, pretty good car. It's just that I don't drive it that much. Looking for, I'm not gonna buy any more cars here. So looking to sell them, and then when I move to Dubai, I'm thinking either something chill. So something chill like a Maybach SUV, or maybe even a Wraith or Rolls Royce. I like that one. Or maybe something simple like a 911. I probably will not be buying another supercar because it's a waste of money. And it's, you know, it's usually a pain in the ass. And I'm a big guy, right? It's just... Or maybe the Aston Martin SUV. I like that one, the new one. It's pretty nice. So maybe that one. Sales will not be activated until New Year session. Yeah, most likely. FTMO. I've been banned on FTMO for 2 years now. What's the lowest time frame you use? I use the 1 minute. Do you live now? Now I'm in Romania. That's where I have my everything. Currently, which firms are you using? So I'm using Hola Prime and Funding Pips and Funding Next as well. You can go to actually you can go to tradingnfx.com. I'll put a link here. This is the new website, by the way, that I've built. So you can go to tradingnfx.com prop firms, and here's all the props I trade with, right? So you got Hola Prime, Funding Pips, Funding Next, Tradify, Traders Launch as well. That's the main ones. Gonna add a few more this week. But the ones that I get paid with and recommend. Tried funded trader markets. Yeah, I've tried trading with them like 3 years ago, and they banned me after passing an account. If I'm in a restricted country in Hola Prime, you can just send them a message. They're pretty fast. So guys, keep in mind, this week I'll be doing a big announcement on Telegram. As I said, I will be doing something free for everyone. Everyone will be able to make profits for free. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. Not gonna say more, but broker did you recommend? VT Markets. That's the one I trade with. And they're gonna be my main partner. Gonna do again post about it pretty soon this week. I've just been super busy, not gonna lie. Which nationality is the best at trading? I don't know, man. Which nationality? For Hola Prime, use code NFX for 20% off right now. Trying to trade with IFG reversals on gold? That's too complicated. All right, 1 hour is about to close in 10 minutes. Let's see the reactions here. Nice pullbacks happening all across the board. What's BTC doing? Pretty slow as well. BTC has been quite bearish. Again, it's like a big range. Everything is waiting for CPI at this point. Purposely avoid the question? Which question? I can't see it. To trade news? Yeah, I do trade news sometimes. Depends on the setup. Like, what's trade news? Means entering a trade before news? Then no. Be right back. Gonna grab some water. Right, back. My 10 years of experience, I understand how only Mark Douglas system works. Right, hello trader. Hello. Just take me to Romania? Why? Alright, nice reaction here on EUGU and gold. Should we attempt another gold short? Looks like a nice reaction. Could be a fake out. Obviously, could be a fake out. Sicily, as was in the name of the background music. I don't know, it's just some lo-fi music, something. Elevator music. Yeah, I'm just trying to, keep you guys entertained. Look for quick scalps, But yeah, probably gonna have to wait a bit more. Yeah, that's a good approach. Yeah, 1 hour is about to close. Let's wait for that. Love your simplicity. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, trading needs to be kept simple. Right. Yeah, the 4 hour close is coming. That's right. Let's see what happens. No news today. Actually, we have ADP weekly today. CPI tomorrow. Thursday PPI. Friday no news. That CPI is gonna go crazy. What do you guys do when you're bored and just waiting for price to pick up? What do you usually do? Do you watch all timing screen? What do you mean? Yeah, ADP won't do anything. Waiting for setup is really hard. Yeah, pretty boring. But trading needs to be boring. Otherwise, just gambling. I want to show you guys something. Let me see if I can do this. Let's see. Browser. No, not this one. Oh, what did I do? Just wanted to do this one. All right, check this out. So now on my website on Trading NFX, you can go right here and see the real proof. Real proof of all the payouts. So I think I'm the only one who can share something like this. 203K with funding pips, 167K with funding next, 167K with my fund FX. Tradify 93K, 81K here, 66K a month personal account. TFT, you guys remember TFT? 262, and that's just a few of them. But the big big part is I got this right here, 966K that's on chain. So Rise used to, because they changed it, used to provide a public address for everyone. Yeah, this is the Rise blockchain, right? So 2024 was 500,000. 2025 was 167K. 2025 I treated a lot more personal account, and this year the first few months until they changed was 244K. So you can literally go here, go to token transfers, and you can scroll, see all of them. 372 transactions. And if you go to the last page, you can see my first payout was 967 days. Now, guys, this is just Rise. Before Rise, you guys know there was a deal. So 967 days, 3 years ago almost. I wonder what the biggest payout was. Let's see. Oh, we can't. You can sort. But yeah, tell me another, this was a 95K withdrawal, by the way. Tell me someone else in this industry who can show this. I'm literally the only one who shared this. Literally the only one. Nobody else did it. Nobody else fucking did it. Which is crazy. Which is absolutely crazy. I need to zoom in on the chat because I'm fucking blind. What PC do you have? I used to have like a super expensive PC, but I sold it and I bought the best MacBook. So I have a MacBook Pro M6, M5 Max, 128 gigs of RAM, and I just use that for everything. Because I like Mac OS a lot more than Windows. And Windows is just so loud with the fans and everything. When should I move to real capital? I mean, you can start a personal account as soon as possible. What do you mean? What's the question? How long did you in screen, bro? No, 128. 128. Maxed out. I don't see what Prime in the section with firms. Yeah, I forgot to add that. My bad. Because I don't think they have certificates, like lifetime certificates. Let me check. Certificates. Yeah, I'll ask them to make me a lifetime payout certificate. How many hours you did in charting? Back when I started, I was 12, 14 hours a day on the charts, honestly. You set your alarms of the zones or just see the PC? If I'm not on PC, I just set alerts, yeah. Strategy are you using? I'm using simple price action stuff. How do you decide when not to trade? Well, I watch the charts, right? And I look at price action. And if I see it's not doing anything, then I know it's probably not going to do anything. So I try not to trade. What is your advice if I just buy my first evaluation account? Use code NFX. Just joking. Well, if it's your first evaluation account, just take it slow, right? Don't go crazy on it. Maybe risk 1%. Do you plan to trade for the rest of your life? No, probably not. Have you considered investing to earn? Yeah, but here's the thing, I don't trust any type of investment. Like, what can you invest nowadays that is safe? What, government bonds? Stock market is heavily manipulated, the crypto market is heavily manipulated, everything is manipulated. They have for TPT code? Not sure. Oh yeah, I have, actually. Should be NFX. Yeah, why did I not put that on the... Why did I not put that on the website? Yeah, it's called NFX. See, I need you guys. You guys are pointing the right things that I need to do. Thank you guys. I'm not making money from affiliation, but it's nice to have it there. Yeah, I like TPT as well. Last month, let me show you guys because I'm transparent. I mean, no, I'm not gonna show this because YouTube may ban me. But last month I withdrew 33 plus 11 plus 22. So that's 55, 66 with TPT. Yeah, but those were from the Pro Plus accounts. And I just got funded right now. Past 4 accounts, I got them today. And then one more is past, I'm gonna get it tomorrow. So from tomorrow I have 5 new Pro accounts. But yeah, it's gonna be straight into Pro Plus again. So they permanently moved me to a Pro Plus account, which, you know, it's alright, I guess. Because you can withdraw the buffer as well. Couldn't pass the fund account? Why didn't you pass it? Bro, why you look like that now? In 2 years you age 20. Well, first of all, I lost a lot of weight, started hitting the gym, grew the beard. So maybe that's why. Yeah, that's the thing. Everything is heavily manipulated. That's the question I struggle with. I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. I have money in multiple banks, multiple things, and I'm just... I think if I'm moving to Dubai this year, I'm just gonna put everything there, honestly. It's the only institution that I kind of trust. Are going to wait until after CPI? No, I'm already in 2 trades, so I'm already in EU. This one I took with my students live on Friday. So I'm still in it. This is way past 1.15 hours, so I'm swinging this down. Also entered GU yesterday, right here. Small drawdown. I am break even. So letting this run as well. And for a new trade, I will probably not enter, because basically I'm risk on USD bullish right now with EU and GU shorts. So I'll probably not take another CFD trade, maybe just scalps. That's what I'm doing here, right? I'm trying to maybe take some scalp trades on gold or stuff. And then for NQ, for indices, I will be trading euro session today. I have no idea what I'm going to be looking for. Probably continue shorting down. Price is still bearish. But yeah, no new trades on my main portfolio, right? Just scalp trades. So I have basically three types of trading. I have my main portfolio trading, which is EU, GU, gold, like intraday to swing trading, which I take maybe once a week. Then I have my scalp trades, which I like to take on, on gold usually, London session or New York session. Then I have NQ trading, futures trading, which I try to trade every day, try to catch something every day. Account still flat. Do you see Iran? They said they will wait for Trump 2029. That's not gonna happen. What do you think about master trade instant accounts? From what platform? Hello. What do you think about the doubt theory? I have no idea what that is. Where do you guys come up with these theories and stuff? I swear I don't understand. The doubt theory? What is that? So if you guys were in my position, right, what car would you get? Let's say I sell both my cars. What car would you get? An S-Class? Keep in mind, I'm a 2-meter man, so I'm pretty big. How many assets do you trade? I trade 4 assets: EU, GU, gold, and Q. Lotus Emira, RS7. I had an S7. Risk off means USD bullish, yeah. No, I said my portfolio is risk on dollar bullish, basically. SF90, I love the SF90, but has a lot of problems. Yeah, the DBX707 is nice. I don't really trade ES and YM. Yeah. No, there's no issues with the McLaren. It's a pretty good car. It's just I'm past that flashy supercar era, right? I want something comfortable, especially in Dubai. It's gonna be a lot of traffic, so I need something that's comfortable. So do you guys like this new setup, or did you guys like the old one in the office? Is there a specific reason? Why I already trade NQ, so why would I trade NQ, YM, and ES? I just gotta focus on one. Hey, Andrew Fitzy, hey, what's up, Fitzy? Hope you're good. This one? Okay, thank you guys. What I think about after the conflict, the Iran conflict? Well, things are gonna go back to normal pretty fast. It's just that Trump did he thought it was gonna be easy with Iran, and he was extremely wrong about it. And the problem is he cannot back down. He's not gonna back down. He cannot back down because if he does, he's just gonna be remembered as the president who did all this stupid shit, right? So that's not gonna happen, which means there is only two options left. We just continue like this until his term ends, which is like 3 years, which will completely destroy the economy. Mic glitch. Test. You guys can hear me? Is the sound okay now? Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna get my new mic is gonna come probably in a few days. So I'm just using this DJI mic for now. So yeah, I was saying that there's two options remaining. First, it just drags on for another 3 years and the world goes to shit, obviously, because oil prices being high, but not only oil prices. What most people don't understand is that the Strait of Hormuz being closed doesn't only mean higher oil prices. I think it was like 30 or 40% of I can't remember the name of the stuff, but this stuff that basically helps grow crops, right? So food. Something like 30 or 40% goes through that Strait of Hormuz. So the entire focus is on oil prices, right? Because oil prices means stock prices, means, it's something easier to quantify, right? Goes up and fertilizer. So the media doesn't speak about that. But if that continues, we're basically gonna be, the word like food stock is gonna go down dramatically. And it's already happening, by the way. It's already happening in some countries. So that's gonna be the main thing, right? It's gonna be pretty bad. Like, not gonna lie, it's gonna be pretty bad. And the second option that's gonna happen is so the deal is not gonna be any deal, because Iran will not accept any deal. Second thing that can happen is Trump launches a full-on ground invasion. He's never gonna defeat Iran by just shooting missiles. It's not possible. Iran has way more drones, way more space in the country. It's not gonna happen. So the only option is gonna be a large ground invasion, which would mean unfortunately, a lot of US soldiers and other soldiers, dying on the front, which will not go good for the US, because Trump started this whole thing. So it's a very difficult situation if you look at it closely. He got into something, he thought it was going to be easy. It's not easy, and the only ways out are way more messy. So that's why you see him drag this on and on, right? That's why you see him, oh, we sign a deal, oh, there's no deal, there's a deal, there's no deal, because he's dragging this on because there's no viable option for him. So that's why we're in this big mess. Trump has Iron Man, so he will win. Oh man, that's funny. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'll take a look after. So hopefully that breaks down everything, breaks down that for you. All right, looks like gold is trying to push higher here. Gonna be live for another 15 minutes, guys. So any more questions you have, happy to answer them. If not, gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow and same time, and probably Friday. Or yeah, Friday. What are your thoughts about A plus strategy? What's the A plus strategy? Professor Jiang, game theory guy? No, I don't know him. Top step is legit? You're leaning bullish or bearish print? Bearish on EUGU. When? Like, tomorrow's not gonna be, I have a meeting at London Open, but after that I'll join the live. So probably like 30 minutes, 45 minutes after London Open. Yeah. You don't know what time London Open is? London Open was exactly 2 hours and 21 minutes ago. So I think that helps. Which is 10 a.m. for me, UTC plus 3. Would you open a broadcast with the opening of New York? No, I'm not streaming New York session. New York session, I go live in my Discord for my students inside the mentorship, because I focus on trading a lot more, so we're locked in. Hit a podcast with Diary of CEO? Oh, then I may know him because I watched basically every podcast from Diary of a CEO. That's my gym go-to. Bought 5 top step accounts yesterday. Well, good luck. For futures, I think Tradify is the best. How about Lucid? Nah, Lucid moved me live after like 2 payouts. Have the markets changed since Trump is president? Yeah, 100%. It is harder to take out profits. Yeah, because you get these quick moves, right? So it's hard to predict. Which company is the best for CFDs? Hola Prime, down here. Can I see the big banner? 20% off on Forex accounts. You can go top 2-step accounts are pretty good. They have a lot of options that you can use. And when you request a payout, you know you're going to get a payout, which is the best thing you can have. All right, nothing's really going on anymore on the chart. Yeah, they have instant accounts as well, direct accounts they're called. So they're pretty good. Hola Prime doesn't look legit. Why not? They have the most transparent platform. You can literally see every payout they do, and the average. Their average is under an hour. It's usually like 5-10 minutes. Last payouts I took exactly 8 minutes to get, which is insane. Did you see Funny Pips has trade copier? Yeah, I saw that. Not gonna use it. Oh, gold kind of looks like it wants to drop down a little bit here, but it's not my hour to trade. So usually at this time I just hop off, have lunch, come back for New York. FunPix lately has really bad spreads on CFD. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. That's the downside. What hour intervals you look for a trade? So I look for the first maybe 2 hours of London session until right about now. And then for New York, from the 4-hour close, which is 30 minutes before the stock exchange open, for like 2 hours. So basically it's like 4 hours that I look to take trades in. And that's about it. Not more. Yeah, but yeah, you can do other stuff. Do you not recommend Funny Pips? No, I do recommend them. They're like Hola Prime and Funny Pips. I think and Funny Next. They're the only 3 CFD platforms you should use. They're the only ones that keep paying and not basically just give you one payout then ban you. And I've traded with all the platforms, so I know. Trust me, guys, I know. But all right, chat. Thank you guys for joining. Don't forget to subscribe, like. And I'll see you tomorrow. Again, I'll be streaming live 3 times a week, London session. Answering all questions, looking to take trades. And don't forget to check out Hola Prime. See you guys. Good luck today.